Hello traders, welcome back in our Baron learning program. I am Sumit Rawat, research analyst in baronlearning.in. I will be walking you through the study of philosophy of technical analysis. In the first session, we will be focusing on the overview of technical analysis, and then we will be focusing on the philosophies of technical analysis in the next section, in the next slide. So first of all, the definition is what is the technical analysis. Technical analysis is the study of market actions primarily through the use of charts for the purpose of forecasting future price trends, and market action depend upon the price and volume and open interest. To correlate with the chart, we can predict the future price forecasting in the stocks, currencies, indices, in uh, any instruments in the stock market. Philosophy of a technical analysis are there are three premises on which the technical approach is based. First is the market actions discounts everything. So market actions discounts everything means once if a price has been on a peak of on a monthly on a daily chart, then it can be a previously it can be discount from the peak to have some correction from the every new highs of the monthly and weekly chart. If you can see, I have put the chart of gold. You can see last time on a 2010 1821 was the high, then it discounted to 1600 1650, then again that made the high and then had a correction from the last forecasting of the from the corrections from the previous charts. So every new high is a, is a kind of showing some discounting in any time frame. If you're tracking a monthly chart or a weekly chart, or if you're trading for the intraday day trading, you can also track a daily or a 4 hourly time frame or 1 hourly time frame also with the tracking the peak of the charts. uh, and you can check the back testing charts, and you can analyze that how much the price of these stocks or a currency uh, can can take some corrections from the looking into the previous charts. Then we have another approach of price moves in a trend. So this second approach suggests if a price is trading in the trend. So trend is a friend of our for our analysis in technical analysis. So trend, if trend is showing bullish trend, if you can see in a chart, we have suggested that in gold you can see from the 2007 it's moving upside. If you see a current chart from 2020 14 from 1400, the trend is bullish and it moved the target of 1820 2000. Then we are little bit sideways movement and sideways trend. Then we have seen some correction in a chart. You can see from the trend line coming, and it tested the trend line and taken the support, and then again shown the reversal trend from the bullish trend. So it moved from 1820 to 2000. And recently you have seen that yesterday also gold break the level of 2022, and it made the high of double to 33. So this is the analysis that price always moves in a trends. If it is a bullish trend, price will be move in a remain in the bullish trend, but it you should be look into the a perfect time frame according to your investment or trading objectives. If you are trading for short term, you can you can see daily chart. If you are trading for a short term or mid term, you can look into the weekly charts. And if you are looking for the month on month basis or a quarter basis, you can pick monthly time frame for the trend, for the clear direction of the trend. Here we have mentioned the monthly chart of gold. You can see consolidations in these zones are suggesting sideways trend. From this peak we have seen the hurdle and rejection from the resistance level. So the trend is downside from here now, and taken the support from the multiple support. Then price has taken the support and reversal pullback toward the bullish trend toward the 22 2000 level. After 2000 level breakout, you can see the sharp rally above the 2100, 2230 right now. And the another approach in our philosophy of technical analysis is the history repeats itself, means the price of the previous year's charts, it repeats the formation of their corrections, or if you see any pullback, so it similar to repeat the histories. If you can see here, in 2010 it made the high and to 1820, then it take the corrections from the previous supports and rejection, and then it will be a bearish trend, then it will be a corrections from the next support, and then taken the support, and then again reversals from the support of multiple three times, then again showing some sideways trend. After breakout of this multiple resistance, price has taken the sharp rally and tested again the 1820 level. After touching the 1820 in 2019, breakout above the 2019, it made the high of 1990, and then again shown the correction and tested toward the support zones of 1750s, 1800. Again you can see the multiple resistance levels of second, and this third has shown the breakout below the 1820 and the sharp decline toward the 1600, and again then taken the support and went to the next 1990 resistance and 2000 level. After the touching the 2000, you can see we have mentioned the trend line breakout. You can see some inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the breakout above the 2000, it made the high of this projection of the target of inverse head and shoulder neckline. Right now mention right now currently trading at the 2233, that our projections from these levels, that the inverse head and shoulder pattern suggested the target will be achieved. If you can see, currently the trend of gold is bullish, strong bullish trend. We can see we have not seen any correction on monthly, on a weekly and monthly chart, so we will be suggesting that the trend will be upside. So we have to be see some corrections from the back testing of the histories of the charts. If you can see, if there is any resistance in the previous backtesting charts, you have to be follow that resistance levels as a mark, as a resistance level, and you can wait for the clear direction from the resistance level. If it is break above the resistance, you can initiate a buy for the bullish trend. If you see a resistance fall and trend will be reversal for downside, you can initiate sell positions. So that means that approach suggests us to that price always repeat the histories of their patterns performed in the previous years. So always putting any investment in the any currencies, stocks or indices, you have to be test the back testing of the charts of time frame of daily, monthly or weekly, or you can check the yearly chart also, depend upon your investment horizon or trading strategies. Next we have approach of in philosophy of technical is technical versus fundamental forecasting. Technical analysis concentrates on the study of market actions, and fundamental analysis focus on the stocks fundamentals, balance sheets and economic source of supply and demands that cause price to move higher, lower or stay at the same. That will be impacting on the fundamental data. If you are picking the stocks for buying, As a fundamental studies, fundamental analysis track companies' balance sheets and their cash flows for predicting the predicting the trend on the basis of the balance sheets of the companies. And sometimes it will be economical analysis also in fundamental analysis, where the they will be focusing on the GDP data and the interest rate decisions on or auto sales data, pharma, uh, ADP approvals, that all the fundamentals will be impacting on the stocks recommendations. And they, after the analysis of all the fundamental analysis, and they generate the recommendations of buy and sell. That will be like the fundamental studies, the cause of market movement on the and the, if you compare the technical studies, that effect on the price actions and back testings of the previous year's charts. Market price tends to lead the known fundamentals. So it will be a differences between the technical approach and fundamental approach. Next we have adaptability of technical analysis. Adaptability means how easy we can adapt the technical analysis studies or strategies and put into your trading accounts, and you can initiate your trading and make a profitable returns from the looking into the studies of technical analysis in your any instruments of stocks, currencies, indices, or if you are trading in cryptocurrencies also. The availability and accessibility is very easy. If your studies are accurate and your trading strategies are accurate, you can trade from anywhere. The one of the greatest strength of the technical analysis is its adaptability to virtually any trading medium and any time dimensions. Like you can open any time, and if you are trading in forex currencies, 24 forex market is very huge market, where 24 into 7 the forex market is trading. So you can trade if you are traveling also, like if you are traveling to Dubai to London, you can trade on London session also. If you are trading for the if you are traveling for US, you can travel, you can on a vacation also, you can trade from the anywhere on the specific time zones. Just the availability is you have to open your trading account and your trading strategies to put the profitable for the profitable trades. Technical analysis can be applied universally to all the markets, and like even all the markets like stocks, forex, comex, indexes. Yeah, like we have also discussed this, that if your technical analysis is correct, if your studies and your indicators, your technical parameters are accurate for to take any fresh opportunities in any currencies, forex, gold, or any indices like US 30, DEX, or Nasdaq. So you have to open your laptop, and you can initiate your trade from anywhere with proper analysis. So that is the philosophy suggesting that adaptability is very easy for initiate the trade. So this that's it for the learning program of today's topic, uh, the philosophy of technical analysis, where we have discussed about the what is technical analysis and the difference between the fundamental and technical approach for trading, as well as we have discussed about the parameters of taking the approach technical approach in philosophies, like market actions, discounts, everything, price moves in trend, history repeats itself. And we have discussed in the with the help of gold chart of latest updated, and the with the analysis of this philosophy, we can backtest also for taking any initiate the trades. and we have discussed about the adaptability of technical analysis. So I hope you like our video for the topic of our technical philosophy of technical analysis. We will come back with our new topic. So thanks for joining us. Thank you. Have a good day.